Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're breaking down a 50-year-old idea that totally transformed Indian banking.
For most of rural India in the 1960s, this was just reality. Let's get into why.
Get this, before 1969, only 1% of India's 500,000 villages actually had a bank. Yeah, banks were all in the cities. That left the massive rural economy totally starved for credit. So, with the economy slowing down, the government needed a new plan to kickstart growth from the ground up. And the big idea? Something called the area approach, basically a focused district-by-district plan for banking. And just like that, the RBI launched the lead bank scheme. This was a total shift, really. So, what does a lead bank even do? Well, one single bank was put in charge of an entire district. And here's the key. They weren't just lenders. They were now coordinators, even planners for the whole district. Okay, great idea. But did it work? Well, let's look at the numbers. Just look at this. In only 8 years, credit to key sectors more than doubled. That's a huge deal. Yeah, credit to agriculture and other crucial areas just shot up. This changed everything for millions of people. But the story doesn't end there. This wasn't a set-it-and-forget-it plan. It had to evolve.
So now, the focus is broader. It's about credit plus services, like financial education for everyone.
And this really sums it up. It took banking from being for the few to being for the many. So it leaves you with a big question. Could this 50-year-old idea actually inspire our digital financial future?